Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen orange juice. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the top of the cup with a large oval. Now inside, let's draw another oval in the same way. Now let's move down and draw the shape of the cup. From the sides, let's step in and let's draw angled lines down on both sides. And then let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now that we have the basic shape of the cup, let's add the details, starting with the straw at the top. Inside the oval at the top, let's start with a curve for the bottom of the straw. Then 2 lines up. And then an oval at the top to close it off. Next, let's erase those overlapping lines inside the straw. Now let's move inside and draw the face. Near the top here, let's draw a curve across. From the left side, let's draw the first ear by drawing a curve up and down. Then let's leave a gap and draw the right ear in the same way. Now let's erase those lines underneath the ears. Next, in between the ears, underneath, let's draw a curve down and back up. Then the same thing on the right and on the left. Now let's hop down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve under and the same thing on the right. And then one more curve underneath. Now let's draw the eyes on either side with a circle. And now let's color them both in black. Now let's hop to the sides and add the whiskers. Let's draw 2 curves on the left and 2 on the right. That's it for the face. Now let's move down and draw the hands. Let's start underneath on the left side and let's draw a curl up and back down. And the same thing on the right. Next, let's hop to the bottom and add the feet. Let's draw a curve on the left, and then one on the right. Next, let's move over on the bottom right and add the tail. Let's start on the outside of the cup here, and let's draw a curve up, out, and back in. And now let's add 4 curves inside for the stripes. And lastly, let's add the orange slice on the top left. On the top here, overlapping the top of the cup, let's draw a circle. And now inside, let's draw one more in the same way. Next, inside these circles on the right, let's draw a curve. Now below this line, let's erase the circle lines like this. Stopping here at the edge of the cup. Now let's move inside, and on the rim of the lid, let's draw another curve. And then an angled line down to the right. Now above this curved line, let's erase the rim that's above it like this. And when you're done, you should end up with the orange peel overlapping the side of the cup like this. Next, let's add some lines inside the orange peel. Let's start with one coming down across the middle, another one in the opposite direction, another angle across, and then one more in the top left. And that's it for this Pusheen orange juice. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!